Well, hello everyone, how are all of you today? My grandma and my mom had a doctor's appointment tomorrow. They usually get at this hotel, the Hampton Inn. It's a really nice hotel. And there's doing some renovations in the hotel here. My mom told me it's supposed to be done in September. Well, wait till we... Anyway, this is outside of the hotel. Got a nice garden and stuff like that. I'll be back with some room inside the hotel. I'll go inside the hotel. I'll give it a room tour too, I got my key. I got my hotel key here. Got a lobby right here.
Maybe when they remodel this lobby.
Got a snack area right here too. Real snack. Instant lunch here. Yeah, a Coca-Cola product right here too. I see a Mountain Dew here too. Coffee shop, coffee area right here too. Yeah, that's over there too. Yeah, breakfast area right here too. We'll get a video of the breakfast area right here. Office over this way. Some room over here too. Little lobby area right here too. Got an internet room here. Pool, vending over here. Ice and vending right here too. Got ice machine right here. More here, right here. There's a pool area right here. Well, the hot tub not working, but the hot tub. We're not working on the hot tub here. So the hot tub was closed, but I think the pool is open right here. There's a little pool right here. So we got a little pool here and some lounge here. Well, we're about the hot tub, but I think the hot tub is closed right now. But this is pool, we can feel some swimming here, That's a fitness area. How are you today? Peloton bike with you. Treadmill. TV right here. Pretty good. Got a couple floor here. Right elevator here. the guys come through. Let me go to the second floor, see what they have. It looks like we're doing some renovations on the second floor. Yeah, we're doing renovation of the hotel. So, I apologize if we're doing construction at the hotel. Here we go. Third floor here. Yeah, this is what the hotel looks like when we're done renovating the hotel here. Yeah, a lot nicer here. Hotel looks a lot nicer on the third floor, but hopefully soon we'll be done with the hotel. It'll be a really nice hotel here. And I'm going to go up and you're going to get a room tour of the hotel. And my little swimming pool over here too. So, anyway, that's for the hotel here. There's a room for the sink. Got a king bed here. Hold on. Be right back. Well, good morning, everyone. How all of you today this morning? I'm going to take a look at the nice little breakfast area. So let's just take a look. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Fine.
That's good.
Just another morning.
Yep. Let's go ahead and take a look at the breakfast item here. Got a little beautiful microwave here. Topping for the waffle here. Humanity here too. The cherries, apple chip, walnut, banana bread, melted waffle batter, melted vanilla waffle. Oh yeah, hey, looks pretty good. Got some eggs, hard-boiled eggs here. 2% milk. Yogurt here. You got the cereal item like Cheerios here, Fruit Loops, and Raisin Bran. And for the cereal here, raisin, brown sugar, and almond. Oatmeal over here. Oatmeal. Got the enhanced water, pomegranate, looks pretty good. Apple juice, orange juice there. That's how to condiment. That's a butter and I'll have to salt the hot sauce there too. That's good. Got some sausage and some cheese omelet right there. Pretty good. Got some good pastry here. Like some bagel. Muffin. I think it's a scone right there. Just got some jelly, butter, and tea here. Got some apples and bananas here. I think that's all the breakfast items we got here.